Okay, but where do these gases actually come from? There are two types of emissions when we talk about carbon footprints. Direct emissions, these come straight from sources you control. For example, driving a car. That gas you're burning is a direct emission. Heating your home with a gas boiler. Direct. Lighting a bonfire. Also direct. Emissions, these come from stuff you use or consume, but don't directly burn yourself. Think. Electricity. If your power company burns coal or gas to generate your electricity, the CO2 they release still counts in your footprint. Buying a product. You didn't make it, but someone did, and their emissions are tied to your purchase. Using online services. Even streaming a movie or scrolling TikTok uses data centers that burn electricity. So even if you never drive or fly, your carbon footprint isn't zero.